Hi, today we are going to be making a bird's nest for breakfast. This actually would be a good idea to do if you have a lot of people eating and it's really easy to make. Basically, it just takes a couple of ingredients. Those ingredients are some salt, cheese, bread, butter, an egg, a knife, a cheese grater, and a cutting board. Also, you'll need a skillet to cook it in. So first things first, you need to warm the stove to about medium heat. So while that's getting warm, you're going to take your cutting board and you're going to get a piece of bread and you're going to cut a square out of the bread. Usually I like to cut a pretty reasonable size where I still have about a centimeter or so on the edge, and you're going to have to keep this little piece of square because you will be using it later. Okay, so you're just going to pop that right out like so, and you're going to take some butter. You're just going to put it in the pan. Okay, then it's going to melt, and you're going to stick your piece of bread in there, kind of rub it around, flip it. You want butter on both sides. Then you're going to take the small square, same thing. Then you're going to take your egg and you're going to crack it right into the middle. Then you're going to wait for that to cook. You have your spatula and some salt. Then you're going to kind of check the bottom. I usually use my hands, but you can use a spatula. Depending on how you like it toasted, you can flip it pretty much at any time. It's a little golden brown. As for this, you can just check the bottom of it, see if it's a little toasted or not. So it needs a little bit longer. Okay, and then you're going to take it gently toss it over. You can flip that in again. Okay. You're going to take a plate. And take this off. Okay, and then you're going to take your piece of bread, place it on the top where there's going to be an empty hole. Turn the stove off and have your cheese. Just take your grater. Then you're just going to grate the cheese onto there. So it's simple to make and it's really good to eat, and I hope you enjoy.